for you. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you, my lovely viewers, for your subscription, the likes, the comments. Oh my goodness, you guys are great and I love you. We've come this far by faith. It's the doing of the Lord and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the winning team and welcome. Kindly click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Yes, today I'm super excited because finally the year 2020 is coming to an end. And you know what I mean? Yes, so as a family, we still enjoying. So today I'm going to cook some lunch and I want you to also join me prepare this special signature jollof rice recipe of mine. It's very simple, but the outcome is great and my family really loves it. In fact, anytime I prepare this jollof, they'll be like, Eveee, just give me some more. Yeah, just give me some more. I hope you understand. So you get to see it for yourself. So no long talk, let's get cooking. I hope you get me. So let's go. So these are my basic ingredients. My chicken drumstick. I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box so you check it out. I have onions, carrots, scallions, bell peppers, ginger, garlic, cauliflower, oil, some salt to taste, tomato puree, tasty and fresh jollof rice seasoning, tasty and fresh all-purpose seasoning, tasty and fresh chicken seasoning. You need to grab yours now. So I marinate my chicken with tasty and fresh seasonings. So this is the all-purpose, the chicken seasoning, some salt. Then I allow it to rest. And I prep my mise en place. So I have dry rubbed my chicken. And I really love incorporating the white bits of the scallions in my mise en place. So I add it to my chicken. Now I'm done with the marinade, so I allow this to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's best done overnight. Yes, but due to time, I couldn't do it overnight. So now into my pot, I just rinse the bowl and then add a little water to it to cook. You know the chicken has enough water in it, so you don't add too much water. So I add some rosemary, which is optional, but I love it. So I want the chicken to simmer for like about 20 minutes because I'll be frying it. So here we are. Yeah, I needed a stock of the chicken or the broth for my jollof rice recipe. So I begin by putting some cooking oil in my hot saucepan. Then I add my blended ginger, garlic, onion. Yes, this is the secret ingredient. If you want a perfect jollof, this is it. So no chopping of onions, just blend them together and then use it for your stew base. So I add my powdered pepper. This is about 2 tablespoons. And then my tomato puree. Also 3 tablespoons. Okay. Jollof rice is not all about lots of tomatoes. Just a little tomatoes, but lots of ginger, garlic, and onions blended together. So allow it to fry for like about 5 minutes. Now I add my seasoning. So this is my curry powder, tasty and fresh all-purpose seasoning, tasty and fresh jollof rice seasoning, a little salt to taste because my broth already has salt in it. So I stir and then I straight on add my rice to it. My rice has been washed, so I add it to the stew and then I stir it just like this. Cover it for it to simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes for it to engulf the stew. Then I add the broth of the chicken to my rice. So depending on the type of rice you are using, you can add extra 1 cup of water to it. But for me, I added just half cup of water to it. I don't want my rice to be sticky. I want it singled out. So I tasted and then added a little salt to it. And look at that. Our jollof rice is becoming jollofy. So I cover it with my aluminium foil and then move on to my chicken. Then I also prep some veggies. So I'm going to saute those veggies as a topping for my jollof rice. Wow, and the cauliflower. Please, if you don't use cauliflower for your jollof rice, then you are missing. Try it. I can't even explain it. It is great. Cauliflower is a vegetable with high source of vitamins. I really love it. Please try cauliflower with jollof rice and you thank me later. So I begin sauteing my veggies with some olive oil. So the carrots first because it's a bit hard. My bell peppers, I add some minced meat or canned beef. I add my cauliflower, then some onions for more color and taste. Then we are done. So I'm done with my veggies. So now checking my rice and just look at that. Wow, moist, flavorful, colorful, pleasing to the eye, sweet, and the aroma is So our jollof rice is doing perfect. So I'll just allow it to cook extra 5 minutes, and here we are. And one secret about jollof rice is the fire should be very low. It's just the steam that is going to cook the rice, not the heat or the fire. So look at that. This is our end results. So I'm dishing it out so that everybody can serve him or herself. I hope you love this. Very simple to prepare, but yet it is great. So please don't let preparing jollof rice be a headache to you. Just follow this simple recipe and you are good to go. So family and friends, you are invited to my lunch. So thank you so much for yet the end of another video. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos. So you can see, madam, I am serving myself. Me too, I be a people. So catch you later in our next video. Bye bye.